Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. So finally Tambaram Air Force Station results has been declared for the notification 3 for the post of MTS, LDC and cook. So people who are waiting for the results you can see, and let's start our video to see more details about the results. So friends, finally you are seeing on the screen the results list. So now let's see more details about the results. So this list is from Air Force Station Tambaram Civilian Recruitment. Result of written examination of civilian recruitment held from 6 December 2021 to 08 December 2021 for various posts for MTS, LDC and cook. So that first point is mentioned on the basis of written examination held on 06 December to 08 December with the following roll numbers candidates have been called for skill test or physical test as applicable from 01 Feb 2022 I think it is, and they mentioned 2021. I think it's like error something. The results is provisionally and subject to verification of date of birth, caste and qualification as required as per the advertisement of the post. So you have to carry your date of birth certificate or caste and qualification, education qualification certificates along with you while you are going to attend the skill test. And the roll number of the candidates have been given serially and not as per merit list. So the roll number as mentioned according to series wise, not as per merit list. Skill test is only in the nature of qualifying. Merit list will be made on the basis of written examination. So finally the merit list will be based on your written examination marks. Okay, please note down this point. And the fifth point is mentioned clearly, candidates called for skill test or physical test bring all the certificates in original along with call letter. So you have to carry your skill test admit card and your written examination admit card and also your original documents along with you before going to attend the skill test. And any candidate, if he is not receiving any skill test admit card through post, there is a still chance to report the issue with contact number recruitment cell, or else you can directly visit to the Air Force Station and you guys can give your admit card which is related to the written examination. Then definitely you will be getting opportunity to attend the skill test also. Okay, so now let's see results of LDC. So in LDC we can see LDC 026401962 224 2226 251 265 289 334 412 418 477 503 514 582 588 663 664 759 760 764 783. And wait one second. And 841 874. And finally in LDC last number is 943. So these are all the numbers, roll numbers. The candidates have been shortlisted for skill test, and still if anyone haven't received the call letter regarding skill test, you have to wait till Jan end of the month. So if you receive, you can go and attend the skill test. If you are not receiving, you can report the issue with recruitment team. So now let's see more details about the MTS shortlisted candidates series roll number. So in MTS we can see MTS 028 45 52 62 69 86 89 108 114 172 178 181 211 244 257 272 273 295 298 347 386 457 497 479 480 508 522 523 526 532 532 536 557 559 573 578 581 582 588 627 630 633 642 659 667 668 697 715 741 781 814 827 842. And finally in MTS the last number is MTS 847. So these are all the numbers roll numbers. The candidates have been shortlisted for skill. In Cook, we can see many more numbers: 6, 7, 17, 18, 19, 32, 33, 36, 39, 42, 43, 44, 47, 54, 58, 60, 70, 72, 74, 77, 79, 85, 89, 90, 91, 100, 107, 109, 111, 119, 122, 133, 135, 140, 142, 153, 159, 160, 165, 171, 179, 185, 194, and 197, and finally in Cook. If still anyone have doubt regarding this, you can drop your doubt in the comment section. Thank you so much.